The year was 2004 in New Zealand. Ice factory. They make ice cutty. Very, very big ice blocks they will make. What happened is there are 54 employees. The company has one manager. So this manager, every day in the morning, the manager will come. He stop at the security. Security ஆளோட பேர் Jack. Hi Jack, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? How is the children? Madam எப்படி இருக்காங்க? So when there will be Christmas, they'll give cake. When there will be Easter, they'll give some cakes. Every day he will do. 9 o'clock he will come to the factory. Evening while going 5 o'clock when the factory closes. He will be the last person. 5 o'clock when he is going, everybody will say bye Jack, take care, good night Jack. Jack's job is in the gate. What happened? One day manager came. Every day what manager will do is before leaving there are 20 refrigerators and their refrigerator is like a room. This is not our house refrigerator. This is ice cutty factory, like very ice blocks. Somebody, the supervisor come and said that refrigerator number 11 door is broken. So what did the manager do? He called the company. They said they will send a repair person tomorrow. Every day evening what happens is 4 o'clock manager will check the stock. He went to refrigerator number 1, saw, closed it because if he opens what happens? Cooling will go down. So he saw everything okay. He went to second one, third one, fourth one, seventh one, ninth one, 11th one. What happened? He forgot. What is the issue? It will open from outside but from inside it will get locked. So he went inside and he did. When it closed, oh my God, he closed. Time is now 4:30. He takes his mobile, but full metal no. So no mobile signal. He's shouting. He's yelling. It is what temperature inside is? Minus 18 degree. Has anybody kept an ice in your hand? How it will be? Very painful. After some time, it will start paining very badly. So he's shouting, he's yelling. There is no camera also inside. And now he's feeling very cold. Now he knows by 4:45 bus will go. All the employees will go. And now he's wearing a coat. He removes the coat and he is cold. What is the temperature? Minus 18 degree. In the cold place, hypothermia, first color is red color. Next color is purple. The next is blue and black. So like that colors have started changing. Is this one, eyes and all. It's very cold. Now it is 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock factory has nobody. 5, nothing has happened. He is inside. He is now semi-unconscious. He is on the fallen on the ground. He is going to become frozen mummy. At 5:15, when he has very little conscious, he hears a voice. Somebody is holding him and bringing him outside. That's what he remembers. Then he will hear ambulance. He will go to the hospital. For 3 days, no consciousness. After 3 days, கண்ணு திறந்தது. எடுத்து அவர் என்ன கேள்வி கேட்டாரு? Who saved me? Who saved him? Jack. Why did Jack save? Why? Company விட்டு போல. Okay. Why did Jack save? Every day the manager what did he do? Hi Jack. He was very nice. Very good. Jack saved him. I have a question for you again. Jack is technical right. Jack da kaapatnare security guard. But who actually saved the manager? Manager only saved. There are so many people who don't treat people properly. There are so many managers, people want them to maatnana savatam. It is all about how you treat people. Don't look at your card. Don't check. Just stand up. You think you got low card. Vijay, it's a game. How did you feel?
I feel low.
You feel low? This is just a game. Any card you could have got. मौन था कैसा लगा? बुरा लगा? अच्छा नहीं लगा? Dina? क्यों? Why did it feel bad?
Yeah, I feel bad because they are not coming to.
They're not coming. How did they treat you? Yeah. Friends, this is just a game. Please be serious. In game you felt bad. In real life?
Painful.
Very painful. Please don't be like that. People will forget you. Be nice. Be kind. Otherwise, people will forget. Nobody cares. There are people, please be nice. Everybody, Buddha preaches everybody that be kind. Be nice. As a human being, be kind to others.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM.
international coaching monks, here along with Mr. B.K. Dhoop, Dr. Purni, Anjuji, and finally under the guidance of Mr. Day, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in, first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line. And if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.